Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. As we had previously reported to you, the first public records lawsuit that we are aware of arising out of the investigation into the crimes at 1122 King Road was filed back in March of this year. It is styled as EWU Media LLC versus the City of Moscow and the Moscow Police Department. We have been reporting on this matter over the course of the past few months, and there is a playlist on our YouTube channel which will bring you up to speed on the case if you have not had an opportunity to review the matter. Briefly, EWU filed public records requests in 2025 with first the Moscow Police Department, and after they were directed to submit those requests to the City of Moscow, they did. The matter went on for several months, and in March of this year, this lawsuit was filed alleging violations of the Idaho Public Records Act in two distinctive manners. Number one, that certain records requested were flat out denied, were not released to them. And number two, that what was released was improperly, overly redacted. The presiding judge in this matter out of Latah County, where the lawsuit was filed, is Judge Megan E. Marshall. And she put out a scheduling order with a hearing that has been set for May 18th, 2026 at 10:30 a.m. This is to be a virtual and live streamed hearing. Now, both sides, EWU Media and the City of Moscow and the Moscow Police Department, briefed their respective positions pursuant to a scheduling order that Judge Marshall put out. And it seemed as though this matter would be addressed at hearing on the 18th. That is until this week, May 11th and 12th, when the City of Moscow and the Moscow Police Department filed additional documents in the case. And what they want is for the hearing to be adjourned, to be reset, so that additional briefings could occur based on the reasons that they set forth within their filings. They're saying that this is a change in circumstances that requires additional briefings. We looked at the calendar this morning. It's early on the morning of the 14th of May. And it does not appear that anything further has been filed, including by EWU Media, since these items were filed by the respondents on the 11th and 12th. And perhaps the hearing has not yet been reset or adjourned. It is still showing as of right now as being a live and set hearing, which is just 2 business days away. Now, this could, of course, change over the next 48 hours. If it does, if this hearing is reset by the court, as the City of Moscow and the Moscow Police Department has requested, we will, of course, notify you. So please stay tuned to the Indie Zone podcast and our YouTube channel for further developments. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.